one of the best healing and protective herbs for the liver is none other than milk thistle. Milk thistle not only helps to repair the liver in the human body, but it also helps to stave off any free radicals or any damage to the liver itself. So you want to take milk thistle in the powder form. A teaspoon of milk thistle in an 8-ounce glass of distilled or clean purified water, if you will. First thing in the morning, maybe in the middle of the day or in the evening before you go to bed. Milk thistle will help to clean out your liver. It will help your liver do a better job. Now, notwithstanding, if you are indulging in all types of drugs that you should not be, that includes marijuana, that includes over-the-counter drugs and so forth, your liver is only designed to handle so much stress, as are all of your organs. Make sure that you take some of these things out of your life. Get rid of the bad habits and take on new habits. So, smoking can be detrimental to you. So you might want to take that out of your lifestyle as well. Anytime that you're healing yourself or trying to repair yourself, you want to not try to do both things. Don't do the bad thing and the good thing at the same time, because one is going to cancel the other one out. So if you're going to take milk thistle for your liver, you want to make sure that you take out all of those things, to include excess alcohol that's going to be damaging to your liver as well. Okay? If you have any further questions, ask me and I'll answer it. So long.